everyone, I'm Paula Peralta, Artistic Director for John Paul Mitchell Systems, and this is my gorgeous model, Joy.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
I'm great, how are you?
So good. I'm so excited to color your hair. So let's talk a little bit about your goals from today's color service. What would you like to have happen with your hair?
So I would like to go blonde. I have been blonde before and I miss it, and I just want to, switch it up and see what I can do. But I still want to keep my hair healthy. Yeah.
Amazing. I love that. So you have been blonde before. What did that look like? What sort of placement did you have?
Well, actually, my hair was much shorter and it was like completely blonde, and it was so fun. I don't know. It brightened up my skin and like brought out my eye color. It was great.
Amazing. Yeah. So what's most important for you today with this color service?
What's most important is I'd like to get a color that complements my skin tone, and then also I would love to keep the integrity of my curls. I really want to keep the definition and keep my coils intact, so yeah.
So two of the things that you brought up are some of the most key components of any color service. One is making sure that your tone complements your beautiful eyes and your beautiful skin tone, and the other thing is making sure that whatever we do in the process, it's always about maintaining the integrity of your gorgeous curls. So with your placement, we're gonna make sure that we have a really soft transition from your gorgeous natural color into lightness and brightness that lives mostly on the mid strands through the ends. So you're gonna have these really beautiful highs and lows of dimensional color overall.
Okay, I like that.
Let's talk pro to pro about best practices for lightening curly hair. One of the things you want to be aware of is your product choice. That's going to affect your formulation. After you've chosen that, you want to look at your placement in terms of your section size as well as what your section angle looks like on the head. This is going to determine how you can create maximum results with minimum foiling on the hair. I love using Synchrolift Plus on curly hair because it gives me a consistent yet gentle lift. For my formulation, I'll be working primarily with 5 and 10 volume developer. You may be thinking that that is a low volume of developer to create a really bright and brilliant effect, but here's where you come in. Your section size when working with curly hair is going to be a key factor in the success of your end result. Taking that smaller section size in a foil allows that 10 volume developer to work brilliantly and get those levels of lift that we're looking for while also maintaining the integrity of that curl formation. Another pro tip is to remix your lightener often. So I will use 1 scoop of lightener and I foil as much as I can with that 1 scoop, and then I go back to the color bar and I remix. That's going to ensure that I'm getting maximum lift with every single foil that I place on Joy's hair. Another thing to keep in mind when you are lightening hair is to pack your patience. You have to make sure to wait until that hair is lifted to the perfect tone and level before you rinse the hair. So often we want to rush through that process and we're left with a color that may not be ideal for our desired end result. So let the product work, let it process fully, and then rinse and move into your refinement stage. When you move into the refinement phase, the thing you want to really keep in mind is you have to be aware of what the canvas is actually telling you. This will determine what your formulation looks like for your refinement. If the hair is gold, you have to make sure to incorporate violet and blue tones to neutralize both the yellow and orange tones that are in the hair. If the hair is yellow, obviously violet is going to neutralize it completely. So there's more details there and nuances when you're looking at whether you want a cool, a neutral, or a warm end result. And the success of that starts with actually looking at what's right in front of you on the hair. These are just a few of the key tips that I use in the salon every day to be a successful colorist, no matter what canvas I'm working with. I hope you enjoy them, and I can't wait to show you Joy's process.